Hello game devs, welcome back to another GDevelop tutorial. So today I will be showing you how to create an on-screen control in GDevelop 5. So this tutorial was requested by someone on one of my previous tutorials on GDevelop 5. So as usual, you can also make a tutorial request by placing it in the comment section below. So open project manager, new scene. So this is the platformer example we have in platformer style, and it's also an example we have in GDevelop 5. So we're showing you how to create the whole on-screen controls. So first of all, in creating your on-screen controls, you have to consider what if the default controls are checked for your player. So you can check that by clicking on player hitbox behaviors. So this is the platform object. Yeah, it houses the default controls option. So the default controls for your gaming develop are up, down, right, left, and shift, which is the jump. So if you check this that will be the controls of your game. Okay, so now it's check to up, down, right, left, and also shift. So apply. Okay, now let's add in our sprite. Add an animation sprite. Add an animation. Add. Okay, so just get some on-screen controls. Okay. Here we go. I think I want it transparent and. Okay, so pick the right first. Here we go. Right. Now rename this right underscore button behaviors. So this um does not need any behavior. So apply. Now we have our right button. I'll place it right here. Okay, add a new object, right sprite, add an animation, add there we go, with my next button, the left button, there we go, apply, add a new object, sprite, add an animation, add in my up button, there we go, up, button, apply, and my down button, add an animation, add there we go. So there we go, that's the down button, apply, and also the jump button, sprite, add an animation, add, here we go, sprite, transparent, and, okay, so jump, okay, jump underscore button, okay, so apply, now here we go, I'll just pull this into the scene. Place this here, right, place around here. I want the same y position, so that's 4 5 4 4 5 4. So we get the up, is that somewhere around here, and get the down, place down somewhere around here. So 1 7 7 same X position. Okay, so in order for this to okay, I'll just preview this. So as you can see, it does not stick to the screen because we need to give a layer. We need to add this to a layer. Close that. Select up button, so you can choose your layer. The layer GUI. This is a graphical user interface. So there we go. You set to GUI. Same here, GUI. GUI and GUI. You can edit your layer in the layer editor. Here we go. We can also add a layer here and create a layer, add an effect. A bunch of effects here. So you can add in an effect. Okay. Okay, so let's pull in our jump button. Place that around here. Layer GUI and preview. So there we go. You can see our player now moves, or on-screen controls are now on the screen. Okay, it moves to the screen now. Close that. Zoom out a bit. I'll just move this. Release weight. Okay, so let's go to our events. New scene events. I'll create a new event right here. I'll create a group. Group name on screen controls. Add a sub condition. Add a condition. Cursor or touches on an object. So test if the cursor is over an object or if the object is being touched. So if you're like on a mobile device, if the button is being touched, the right button, let's start with the right button. So cursor touch is on the right button. Add an action, simulate, control simulate right key press for our not our player but rather our player hitbox, because our player hitbox has a platformer object behavior. Okay, so simulate pressing right for pressing right for player hitbox. Add an empty event, add a condition, cursor touch is on an object, cursor touch is on left. Now add an action, simulate pressing left, simulate left key press for platform player hitbox. Add an empty event, add a condition, cursor touches on an object, cursor touches on up. Okay, I'll get back to this. Add an empty event, add a condition, cursor touch is on object, cursor touch is on the down button. Okay, add an empty event, add a condition, cursor or touch is on an object, is on the jump button. Okay, add an action, simulate. So here we go, simulate jump key press, platform for player hitbox. Okay, now preview. And you can see I'm controlling my player with the on-screen controls. Okay, so our players are flipping backwards. We need to add in the flip horizontally action. So there we go. Close that. Okay, so right cursor dot is on the right button. Add an action flip horizontally, flip player horizontally, activate flipping, no. I'll just copy that. Starts on the left button, activates flipping, yes. Preview. So here we go. As you can see, this works perfectly. So I added this up and down button for a ladder. So I'll just get a ladder here real quick. Close new scene. Delete. So place my ladder here. Ladder goes all the way. Okay. So new scene event. Cursor dodge is an up button. Ladder. So we needed to simulate ladder key press. Here we go. Choose an object. Simulate pressing ladder key press for player hitbox. Okay, so once our cursor is on up button and add a condition, collision. So player is in collision with object ladder. Okay. Preview. There we go. Okay, up. Okay, something's not right. Close that. Okay, so we need to simulate an up key press, add an action, simulate an up key press for our player hitbox. Okay, preview. Here we go. Let's jump. Okay, so here we go. Up. Player's moving up, and we need to give our down button a down. We need to simulate a down key press. So simulate. An up key press. Okay, simulate a down key press. No, that's a top down movement. Up, down key press for platformer behavior. Okay. Okay, so it will simulate a down key press. Preview. There we go. Down, up, down, up, down. So there we go. So that's how it works. That's how to create an on-screen control. Okay, that's a Z auto preview. Okay. So there we go. So these are the on-screen controls. That's how it's done. Thanks.